Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best electric air fryers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is COSORI Air Fryer Digital Hot Oven Cooker. COSORI Premium Air Fryer, Red Dot Award, 2019, features 13 one-touch cooking functions and rapid 360 degrees air circulation to provide crispy results using less oil. The air fryer uses up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying methods while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect gift for family members and friends. The air fryer's spacious 5.8-quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Additionally, the corner spaces provide more cooking footprint and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people in one go. 11 presets, preheat, and keep warm help you cook meat, veggies, desserts, and more to perfection. Just choose your preset with one easy tap and you're ready to cook. You can also set temperature and cook time for personal recipes. The removable, non-stick baskets are dishwasher safe, for free, and BPA free. 100 included recipes, fine inspiration for every meal with 100 original, COSORI chef-created recipes. The air fryer produces crispy results in less time than a conventional oven and includes a shake reminder function. Preheat the air fryer before adding your ingredients for improved texture. Fully certified. Please note that this voltage only applies to the US and Canada. Based in California, COSORI is proud to call the Golden State our home. Number 2. Our second best pick is GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer with Recipe Book. The most advanced GoWISE air fryer to date. We've upgraded the display to full digital and added pizza to the list of smart presets. Whether reheating leftover pizza or making it from scratch, you can be confident it's going to be excellent. Not to mention, this air fryer is large enough for a family of 4 or more. 5.8 means the more the merrier. Cooking with a GoWISE USA air fryer lets you enjoy your favorite fried foods without the mess of all that hot and dangerous oil or those added calories. Food cooks from all sides at once, just like frying in oil, so you'll get that crispy texture you crave. Turn leftover pizza into hot out of the oven by the slice. Never cook frozen foods in the microwave again and create healthy meals from scratch to impress friends and family. This GoWISE USA air fryer has a temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to prepare a variety of snacks, entrees, and desserts. To help you get started, each GoWISE USA air fryer comes included with a recipe book packed with 50 tried and tested air fryer recipes. The GoWISE USA air fryer is a must-have for any home and makes the perfect gift. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ninja AF101 air fryer. Make your favorite foods quicker and easier to cook with the Ninja air fryer. It makes for even hot air circulation around food for crispy, quick and golden finishes every single time. The smart processor gives a wide temperature range as it powers a fan that adjusts speeds to suit your cooking function. This lets you crisp and cook foods like French fries with little to no oil, in a 4-quart basket. You can bake, roast, reheat, air fry and dehydrate foods in this go-to appliance for most meals and snacks. Cook and enjoy crispy meals whenever you feel like. We would like to inform you that you do not need to season the basket for the Ninja air fryer. Prior to first use, we recommend that you remove and discard any packaging material, promotional labels, and tape from the unit. Wash the ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate in hot, soapy water, then rinse and dry thoroughly. Never clean the main unit in the dishwasher. We aim to show you accurate product information. Manufacturers, suppliers and others provide what you see here, and we have not verified it. See our disclaimer. Ninja Air Fryer, AF101, 1550 watts programmable base for air frying. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GoWISE Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven. GoWISE makes air frying easier than ever, with presets to perfectly fry favorites like wings, fries, chicken nuggets, snacks and veggies. Frying with air instead of oil is delicious and guilt-free, and this large capacity oven fries up to 3 pounds at once. It also offers all the great features of a full-size toaster oven. And that's not all. Unique to the GoWISE digital air fryer toaster oven is a range of low temperatures that lets users proof dough, dehydrate foods and more, taking multifunctionality to a whole new level. With a large digital display and intuitive programming options, selecting presets, temperature, time, and function have never been easier. Long story short, we love it so far and look forward to experimenting with it for years to come. We've had great luck with GoWISE appliances over the years, and in the few times we had problems with them, their customer service people have bent over backwards to help us and always treated us fairly. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker with Temperature Control. Compact air fryer, enjoy the indulgence of crispy fried foods without the guilt. The Dash Compact Air Fryer uses air crisp technology and a rapid air circulation system to quickly crisp your ingredients while eliminating extra calories from added oil. Use 80% less oil when you cook in the Dash Compact Air Fryer, while enjoying equally delicious and healthy results. Feature benefits: air crisp technology and a rapid air circulation system fries ingredients without oil, resulting in delicious food with no extra calories. 30 minutes timer shuts off automatically, eliminating the possibility of overcooking or burning. Non-stick basket cleans easily with no extra mess. Temperature control dial allows the user to adjust the heat for a variety of different foods. Easy to read temperature dial and timer for convenient control. Compact size stores easily in any kitchen. 2 quarts capacity is perfect for portion control and individual servings. Recipe guide included with up to 15 easy to follow recipes. Cool touch housing and handle. Dishwasher safe parts eliminate extra messy surface areas. Non-slip feet for stability. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.